In this video, I'll be flipping this credenza to this credenza. Welcome, my name is Astrid and I love DIYs. In this video, I'll be going through the step-by-step of how I flip this furniture. It has some watermarks, but overall it's in very good shape. First up is to plan. I like to draw out the design that I want so that I can imagine a few options before I decide what to do with it. And then I will go wild and try different colors. For this piece, I kind of want to make it look a bit modern but still showing off the wood. I tried different designs and this one seemed to be my favorite. The next part is prepping the face. This is the most important step before you do any painting. First, I remove all the hardware and the doors from the furniture. Next, you have to clean to make sure there is no residue and dirt when you start painting. For any holes or damage, you can use wood putty to repair and fill in. Because the piece that I'm working on is laminated, I need to scuff sand all the surfaces so that the actual paint will stick better to the laminate. For the door fronts, I scuff sanded it as well because I wanted to remove the shine from the previous varnish. As you can see here, it's not that obvious, but it's still obvious. You can really see it. Next up, I'm going to protect the surfaces with plastic so that I don't paint on it. The third part is the fun part. This is the painting. I use primer or undercoat first all over the furniture. Here I'm using regular Nippon undercoat. Depending on the type of paint you use, primer or undercoat is important to allow the paint to stick really well and to avoid leak-throughs. Finally, my favorite part, the color paint. I chose a water-based latex paint in grey with green undertone. I got this foam roller brush from Mr. DIY, so let's see how it looks. Not bad. Okay, so in between coats, I sand them lightly so that I will have a smoother finish. Takes me about 2 to 3 coats until I'm satisfied. Once I'm satisfied with the paint job and all totally dry, I protect it with a top coat. Watch my previous video where I talk about choosing the right top coat. Click here! it a little mid-century modern vibe, I added these legs. I found them on Shopee. I'll give the link in the description box below. Paint is all dry, legs all stained. It's time to assemble. I found these sandals. I'll give you the link. Look at them, they're so pretty. I got them both. I didn't know which one to choose, but in the end, I decided to use both. So now we drill the holes for the handles. Put in the handles, and we're done. Now let's look back at how it looks like before. This is before. Brown and old and outdated. And now, ta-da! I really love this piece. It really creates a modern feel. I love it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Hit the thumbs up. I hope this video inspires you to make your first furniture flip. If you want more DIYs, do hit the subscribe and notification bell. Your support means so much to me. Till then, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.